Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how I make this delicious goat meat pepper soup with some noodles. Actually, I'm not a fan of noodles, but after eating this goat meat pepper soup, I think I started liking noodles. It was really delicious. So let's get started. In a pot, I've cut my goat meat into bite size, wash it thoroughly. I'm going to be adding all the ingredients: onions, ginger, garlic, Scotch bonnet, crayfish, pepper soup spice, seasoning, and salt to taste. Then I'll go ahead. I'm just going to mix all the spices with the goat meat together properly. So now I'll go ahead and add enough water to cook the goat meat. You know it's pepper soup, you need enough water. So after adding water, I'll give it a stir. I'll cover it. I will allow it to cook until the meat is very tender. So I'll be right back. So guys, as you can see, the goat is almost done. I'll add the scent leaf. This will add more aroma to the pepper soup. So that is it, it's done. It's very easy to put together, guys. This pepper soup was really delicious. So the next step, now just go ahead and boil my noodles and add it into the pepper soup. So thank you so much for watching, and if you like this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up, share, follow me, and leave your comment in the comment section. So guys, thank you so much for your support and everything. I really appreciate you guys. Keep supporting. That is just the only way you have to support this channel. So guys, I'll see you again in my next video with another delicious recipe. Bye bye. Ciao.